Alright, so we are here in downtown Malaga, and this is the massive cathedral. I mean, I don't even know if you can get the scope of how big this thing actually is. This is just one side. We're assuming it's the front because it has the car tire sound like on this plaza. It has all of the artwork and the big gates. But this is... Yeah, we were thinking it looks like the top has been broken off because that tower does not match that tower. So, we don't know. We're going to have to look up some history on this, but this is absolutely incredible.